Good morning, I'm John. Welcome to FX Diamond Signals Premium Service. It's Sunday the 18th of October 2015 and this is, I hope, to be the first of a weekly forecast of the currency pairs and also give you an idea of how I trade using pure price action and why I give the signals that I do. So hopefully it will help you to learn as well as be able to set the trades up on your platform at the same time. Okay, so as I said, using pure price action, that means just candles, and I don't tend to use any indicators as such because I like to I just feel that indicators are lagging and indicators follow the price rather than price following indicators. So one I do use would be Bollinger Bands. I feel they are useful. Yeah, so the signals I use are, I feel, all high probability and will be sent out on a daily basis via email, giving you plenty of time to put them on your own platform if you wish. And there will be, I say, for the service, there will be a 14-day trial, but I'm looking at over sort of 60 Forex currency pairs. And I'm going to be a bit of a whistle-stop tour. So if you need any further information on any of the pairs, then this is where, as a member, you can talk to me via email or Skype, and we can go over your particular currency pair. So it's a personal consultation service, if you like, is what you'll get to help you make the right decision. So onto the charts, and this is how my chart looks. It's a daily time frame, and you'll see the signals on there telling me when to buy, when to sell, but that's not exactly when I always do it. I'm looking for more confluence each time. The bar along here, the horizontal line, represents a monthly resistance and support lines. So let me just go to the monthly chart and zoom out, and you'll see a little bit more how that works, and you'll see again where the signals particular help. So this would be a good sell signal up here, and a good buy signal down here. Okay, so back to the daily time frame, and just zoom up there. Okay, so very quickly, I say what I'm going to be looking at here on each currency pair. So I'm looking for another signal on a daily basis. So on this one, again, a good buy signal. We've come down, we've hit a monthly support. We've got a nice candle here, and again, you guys really need to know your candles. Either on the education section on my website, or there's plenty of information out there on the web, on the internet. Find out, learn about candles. That's what you need to use. That tells you so much information as to what's going on and why it's happening. So an excellent, even with the candles here, without the signal, you've got a buy signal. Okay, put that together with the signal, put that together with the support line, put that with the Bollinger Band, and you've got a nice strong positive buy. Excellent. Okay, so we've had our long one of bullish candles right up to the top here. It's punched above the Bollinger Band, and we've now got a sell signal and a nice bearish candle coming down. So would that be a good sell? Would that be a good sell signal? Would we take that? Well, let's just zoom out a little bit there. And again, we look at, say, these sell signals and where it has punched above. So you've got nice doji there, nice indecision doji there. And you've got to say, well, yeah, okay. When you get these sort of pairings, it's like these twin towers, if you like, as I call them, then that would be a good time. And with the sell signal and with it punching above the Bollinger, yes, you could take a sell there, but be careful. As I say, I like to use this. I like to use the monthly support and resistance to as a bit more confirmation. But yeah, you could take that. Okay, let's just zoom back up there. Right, moving quickly on to the next chart, and here we've got what we're talking about. There's bearish move down, come to our support, and I'm now looking for I'm looking for a signal for a buy there, because this could go into a range, or we could start going back, bounce back up again. So a nice signal here, and this is what I look at each day for you guys. 6 o'clock in the morning, I'm on the charts here, and throughout the day, right up to late at night, and I'm watching for these signals. I'm watching these candles, and I'm doing all this for you. So you can go to work, rest, play, whatever you want to do. And when the signal comes, you know, I'll tell you. So yeah, here. So we've got this bearish. We've got this nice candle here, right on the line. It bounced up. So I'm not seeing my signal here. I want to see a signal. I want to see an arrow to say that this is going to bounce up, but it could well do. It could well do there. So just going down to the 4-hour time frame. Yeah, it's just sort of ranging along there. Doesn't quite know what direction to take yet. Just down to the hour. Yeah, it doesn't help us. Onto the weekly. I'm just using all these time frames just to get an idea of where this might be going. We can see on the weekly, it's generally, you know, the general pattern is down, is bearish. So again, a bearish signal here coming back. This would be a good sell signal. This could be a good buy signal. To go with the arrow, to go with the support line, to go with the candle formation would be very nice. That's what we're looking for. Okay. All right. Okay. Next chart. Right. Okay. We've bounced down to support line. Are we going to get a signal? That's what I'll be waiting for. Next one. Yep. Okay. We've come under the support line this time. I'm looking for some direction to continue on this one. So not there, not quite there yet. Here, sort of in the middle of nowhere, and let's look at the Bollinger lines. Yeah, quite flat. No actual direction of where this is going. So not a trade you really want to be taking. Okay. Just take a look at this one. See how up here we came away from the support, bounced off the support, but nice doji at the top there, punched through the Bollinger. Yeah, but it's at the top. It's at the top. That's important. Remember that doji's at the top. Got a sell signal, and what happened? All the way down to here. Yeah, came down to here, came down to support, bounced, but look at this one. So this is what you need to know about your candles. See how it the balls just didn't manage to get anywhere back up, couldn't bounce back up again, and it just came along, just sort of a little bit of a range, and then it fell again. Okay, when you get a doji around this area, this is what we call a continuation doji, and it normally sort of the price will continue to fall away. Okay, so moving on. Oops, there you go. Right, ball in the middle. No line, no support and resistance anywhere. So yeah, it could go either way. So bypass that one. What's going on here? Right. Again, in the middle, Bollinger lines are flat, not really telling us anything. Again, nothing. And you can skip through these charts quite quickly in the mornings, during the day, to see where you're at, what's going to happen. This might be starting to get interesting to see how the Bollinger lines are starting to come together. Could be a bit of a squeeze, just like this in a way, sort of like squeeze together and then shoot up or down in one, shoot in one direction. But again, there's no support and resistance lines here, so moving on. But everybody's different. It's how you want to play it. Yeah, okay, nothing too much there. And if there is something, let's say on these charts that you feel, well, I'd like a little bit more information on that because that's the chart I really like to trade, then yeah, talk to me. Yeah, so let's go through it a little bit more detail. I'll be happy to do that with you on a personal basis, and we can see exactly where the price might actually go. This one, yeah, again, could be looking, it's near our support resistance. We're looking for a sell or buy signal here. Gives a bit more information. If you look here, this is interesting. You'll see this many times. When it actually punches through like this on a positive, either up or down, that usually indicates a good direction where it's going to go. Otherwise, it'll come down and it will stop, bang, right on your line most of the time. So most of the time this works, that works, and then it'll bounce back up. It won't continue. So that's a very good example there. Have a look at that on your charts, and you see that quite often. Okay. Next one. Yeah, again, okay, daily time frame here. See how this is punched through. It's finished the week as a bit of a doji. Just going to come down to the 4 hour there. Bit of indecision. I'm not quite sure where this is going to go. It looks a bit bearish. Looks quite weak. So let's going back to the daily there. We're just maybe waiting for that confirmation of the signal as to what's going to happen next, but I'll say maybe that's continuation doji, and this could continue showing weakness. Have a look at the Bollinger Bands, again showing a little bit of a down slide there. What's it say on the weekly? Weekly could be starting a bit of a squeeze there on the weekly, but it's quite a long way away. So yeah, okay, so that's another one to watch. Okay, so I'm going to wrap things up there. Just give you a little taste of what it's all about, and what you're going to get for your membership. And I'm going to put I'm going to do another video now, and just maybe go through those charts in a little bit more detail. So if you're interested, then please watch the next video. Okay, thank you very much. Have a good trading week.